Welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna take a look at Marabou Daim treats. It's a Swedish chocolate brand made by Mondelez International. So this is the Marabou Daim treats, and right off from the bat we can see that the packaging is very unique. The shape is like this weird rectangle, and I like how it has a window. You can see what's inside. It brings trust to the consumers when you can see what's inside. And the colors are nice, stands out, yellow, red. When you see this on the shelf, it's gonna stand out from the others for sure. Let's see what else we have here. It has hazelnut. I like how they have this warning here right in the front. So if you're allergic, you're not gonna accidentally bite. Let's see what else. The sides and the back. Ooh, it seems like you can also use this packaging as a serving plate, so that's really good. There's the Mondelez logo and the ingredients. Let's see. Hazelnut, chocolate cream filling, also almond pieces, sugar, cocoa butter, and milk, and that's about it. Enough of talking, let's open up the packaging. Okay. Ooh, very easy to open. You just slide this and it's ready. Oh, they have the hole here where you can take it out. Oh, it also has tape on the other side. That's right. Now it should get open. Okay. Yep, here we go. So there's your chocolate. Not many chocolates inside, to be honest. I think this is only like, let's see. Yeah, 144 grams only. For such a big package, that's not so great. So around like 20 chocolate pieces maybe. Let's open one up and see. So it comes this red packaging. What does it say? There's something in Swedish. Oh, it's like this chocolate egg. Little chocolate egg. There's something weird on the surface, to be honest. Like, the surface is not smooth, so I don't know what this is. It looks like it's dirty chocolate. Innehåller hazelnut. I think it says hazelnut inside. Let's see if we can open this up. Oh! Shit. I made a mistake. I was trying to open it up with my hand. And look, I made mess all around the place. But yeah, this is what it looks like inside. Okay, it's time for the taste test now. Enough playing around. So this is the chocolate egg. Let's taste it. The texture is different than I expected. It's much more harder. You see this image here? I was expecting something soft inside, but this is like completely hard inside. But it's good. I like it. However, I cannot taste the ๊daɪm here. Any one of you who have tasted this, you know it's like crunchy caramel pieces inside. But I cannot taste any of the ๊daɪm here. Let's take another one. Yeah, it's super hard for some reason. And I cannot taste any ๊daɪm pieces. You know, I'm slightly disappointed because I was expecting it to have many of these small pieces inside, because these are the dime pieces, these little yellow brownish ones. And I expected it to be crunchy, but it's not crunchy at all. I don't know what I'm tasting here right now. You see? The inside filling is like solid. What is this about? From the image, you will think it's super soft, but it's not. The expiry date is 4 months in, so it should be still super good. 4 months away, I mean. But yeah, still, the chocolate tastes good. But I'm a little bit disappointed with the texture. And I didn't find any dime inside. So I think I will give this product like 8 out of 10. It's a solid chocolate, especially if you want to give it as a present. I don't think anybody will buy this for himself, because it's just a small package and the quantity is small compared to the price. So it's much better to get the regular chocolates or the bars. But this is a really good for present. And I have to give them points for making this plate. See, they have plate ready. You don't have to put this on separate plates. It comes with the plate. But yeah, 8 out of 10. If you want to give this a present, it's very good. Christmas is coming up. Good present for somebody. Or Thanksgiving. I'm sorry, the French Day. Yeah, thanks for watching. More videos here, and here, and here. I see you guys in the next video. This has been Consumer Good Reviews. Thanks for watching.